The world has been changed by a series of innovative new machines, inventions and devices. Any effort to count down the most significant inventions is surely controversial, but there are some major improvements that should probably be on any such list. Paper. Paper has been invented about 100 BC in China by Hans. The paper has been essential in allowing us to write down and share our ideas. Fire. Many may believe that the fire is not an invention, rather it was a discovery. But it wasn't until humans concluded how to use it. The capacity to cook helped us get the nutrients to support our brain, giving us an undeniable edge over other species. Electricity. It is hard to exaggerate how essential electricity has become to us, as it runs the majority of our gadgetry and shapes our way of life. The discovery of the light bulb, although a separate bonus, credited to Thomas Edison in 1879, is surely a significant addition of the capacity to control electricity. It has genuinely changed the way we live and work, as well as the appearance and functioning of our cities. Plastic. Plastic has changed the world and has become universal in packaging, homes, and even clothes. Its universality is causing the world to be more concerned about the consequences of plastic pollution because it does not biodegrade. Telephone. The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in the year of 1876. In studying ways to teach the deaf, he tested with transferring sound via electricity. Surely, this instrument has transformed our ability to communicate. Camera. Louis Daguerre discovered camera, which caught imprints produced by chemicals. Later, George Eastman developed the first small Kodak box camera in the year of 1888, which made photography much more accessible to the general public. Cars. Carl Benz designed the first modern car using a limited internal combustion engine. With a few decades, cars were within the range of several ordinary people, changed our society, and shaped where we live and how we spent our vacations. Aeroplane. The Wright brothers led the first successful heavier-than-air aeroplane in the year of 1903. Within a few years, planes were successfully traveling long distances and soon began to change both wartime and global travel. Steam engine. The steam engine was invented by Scottish inventor James Watt. The steam engine powered our trains, ships, workshops, and the Industrial Revolution as a whole. Gunpowder. Gunpowder was invented in China in the 9th century. The invention of gunpowder has been a significant factor in military technology that shaped the course of human history. Compass. Compass has been a major force in human exploration journeys. The earliest compasses were made of a magnet. The compass was invented in China between 300 and 200 BC. Container. The steel container may appear so obvious that it hardly justifies as an invention. However, the container transformed international trade, significantly decreasing costs and making the transport of goods across different forms. It is an important factor in the exponential growth of trade and globalization in the post-war era. Lenses. It was first developed by ancient Egyptians and Mesopotamians, with key theories of light and vision contributed by ancient Greeks. From glasses to microscopes and telescopes, lenses have hugely extended the potentialities of our imagination. It is also necessary for elements in the making of media technologies required in photography, film, and television. Computer. Charles Babbage's analytical engine is frequently regarded as the pioneer of the modern computer. It could be programmed and compute mathematical equations. Without computers, we cannot imagine a single day. Rockets. Although Chinese were regarded as the pioneer of the rocket, the modern rocket is a 20th century addition to humanity, which is responsible for changing military capabilities and supporting human space exploration. Mobile phone. The mobile phone allowed people to take calls on the move, rather than be bound to a landline. Mobile phones also allowed text messages to be sent for the first time. Vaccination. Louis Pasteur in 1885, who is credited with giving the idea of vaccination to us. The usage of vaccination is capable of eradicating diseases and elongating the human lifespan. Atomic bomb. The method of breaking atoms to release a large amount of energy led to the invention of nuclear reactors and atomic bombs. The ethical discussion over the decision to drop the atomic bomb will never be settled. The bombs did, however, bring an end to the most destructive war in history. The Manhattan Project that showed the possibility of how a nation's reserves could be mobilized. Internet. Tim Berners-Lee formulated software for the World Wide Web, or WWW, in the year of 1990, which eased to transform the Internet and provided a stable repository for information on easily accessible web pages. Now his invention is freely available to most of the world. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is described as a situation where computers can learn by themselves and change their ways of working over time. In the year of 1955, Newell and Simon founded AI by designing a program which attempted to solve a puzzle by choosing the branch which was likely to solve it. Over time, AI has grown, particularly with the use of mass data and high-level computer processing. Currently, AI is being adopted in fields from medicine to self-driving. That was all about 20 inventions that changed the world. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, Explified.